Alright, welcome back. Today we are in another country. We're in Norway, and we're here because we're visiting our family for the holiday and for the Christmas and for the New Year's break, and we're gonna be here all week until after New Year's, and we're gonna have some fun with the fam, and we're gonna get a few videos done. It's gonna be awesome. Go get some nice B-roll, and maybe we'll get some cool photos too, because there's a little snow on the ground. There's a lot of really cool looking buildings, a lot of cool stuff to film and take photos of. Let's do it. Talking about coincidences, look what I found. Whose car is this? It's so funny. Yeah, that's random, but this is such a cool little neighborhood. There's an ice skating rink, there's so many cool houses, there's a few stores down the street, there's little playgrounds and stuff like that. It's a really cool place to live. I'm glad I get to spend a whole week here. As much as I love the winter, it is definitely a bit chilly out today. It's around 20 to 25 degrees here today. And yesterday, or 2 days ago in New York, it was probably in 40 or 50. Which is crazy. Huge difference. Definitely feel it in the air, even with the sun out. Which usually makes it feel warmer. Not today. Being able to read the signs might help just a tiny bit, but so I guess we'll never know what those signs said up there, but we're just gonna go explore down where I'm walking now. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so I walked down to that random building. I didn't know what it was, so I didn't go inside the building, but I did find 2 random horses that were surrounded by electric fence, and I was almost touched that fence. Good thing I didn't, because I would have got shocked. But now I'm just walking down some path. There's a really cool view of the city from here, so I'm gonna get some shots of that, and then maybe we'll head back to the house. The other really cool thing about Norway is that the sun goes down really early in the winter. So right now, golden hour starts absurdly early. It starts way before 2 o'clock. It's around 1 or 1:30 right now, and it's looking like golden hour already. It looks like the sun's about to go down. And it's gonna be way dark before 5. So that's crazy. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. Come back next week for another video. Hopefully it's also from Norway. And see you guys then. Peace out.